The Ethiopian Educational Media Agency presents English for Grade 7. This is Program 23. Lesson topic, what were you doing at this time last week?
Hello, teacher. Hello, students.
Hi, friends.
Umang, you were at home last week.
Yes, I was at home.
What were you doing?
At what time?
At this time last week.
I was studying my lessons.
Students, what was Obang doing at this time last week? Hawa, what was Obang doing at this time last week?
He was studying his lessons.
Students, what was Obang doing at this time last week? Obang, what were you doing yesterday?
Oh, Leah, you remind me of the What Were You Doing song.
Do you want to sing it now?
Yes.
I also want to sing.
That's a good idea. Students, let's sing the song together. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What were you doing? Yesterday morning at 7. What were you doing? Yesterday night at 8.
I was walking to school, yesterday morning at 7. I was reading, yesterday night at 8.
That's very good, students. Let's sing it again. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What were you doing? Yesterday morning at 7. What were you doing? Yesterday night at 8.
I was walking to school, yesterday morning at 7. I was reading, yesterday night at 8.
That's very good, students. We'll sing the song again later. But now, listen to Hawa and Obang. Listen.
Ubang, what are you doing now?
I am doing my English homework.
Students, what's Obang doing now? Hawa?
He is doing his English homework.
Students, what is he doing now? Yes, he is doing his English homework.
Yes, I am doing my homework.
It's about what?
It's about the comparative and superlative forms of words.
Students, about what is the homework? Obang?
It's about the comparative and superlative forms.
Students, it's about what? Yes, it's about the comparative and superlative forms. Students, do you know how comparatives and superlatives are formed? All right, now listen to Hawa and Obang doing their homework.
Ubang, let's do the homework together.
Okay, can you tell me the comparative form of soft?
Yes, softer.
The comparative form of useful?
Usefuler.
Oh no, it's more useful.
More useful?
Yes.
Why not usefuler?
I don't know. Why is that, Leah?
You know, one-syllable words add er to their comparative forms and est to their superlative forms.
One-syllable words add er and est?
Yes, and words with more than 2 syllables add more to their comparative and the most to their superlative.
Like the word useful?
Yes, look. Use, 1 syllable. Full, another syllable. Useful has 2 syllables.
I see. So it's more useful.
And its superlative is the most useful.
You are right.
Okay, now we can do our homework, Ubang.
Yes, let's continue.
Tell me the comparative and superlative forms of sharp.
Comparative, sharper. Superlative, sharpest.
That's right. Now, expensive.
More expensive, the most expensive.
Right. Cheap.
Cheap,
Yes.
cheaper, cheapest.
Beautiful.
More beautiful, the most beautiful.
You are right.
Now it's my turn, Hawa.
Just a minute, Obang. Let the students do this. Students, I will say a word and you tell me its comparative and superlative forms. Now, tell me the comparative and superlative forms of the words I say. I will say the words 2 times. Ready? Lazy, lazy.
Lazier, laziest.
Comfortable, comfortable.
More comfortable, the most comfortable.
Important, important.
More important, the most important.
Easy, easy.
Easier, easiest.
Sharp, sharp.
Sharper, sharpest.
Careful, careful.
More careful, the most careful.
Heavy, heavy.
Heavier, heaviest.
That's very good, students.
Leah, I want to sing our song.
A good idea. Students, let's sing our song again. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What were you doing? Yesterday morning at 7. What were you doing? Yesterday night at 8.
I was walking to school, yesterday morning at 7. I was reading, yesterday night at 8.
That's good, students.
Ubang, when do we use as like as useful as?
We use it in comparisons of equality.
Students, when do we use as? Hawa?
In comparisons of equality.
Students, when do we use as? Yes, we use as in comparisons of equality.
Ubang, are you as clever as I am?
Yes, we are equally clever.
Students, is Hawa as clever as Ubang? Yes, Hawa is as clever as Ubang. Students, now listen to Hawa and Ubang telling me the correct comparison of things. Listen. Ubang, is a television as expensive as a radio?
No, a television is more expensive.
Students, is a television as expensive as a radio? No, a television is more expensive. Students, say, a television is more expensive. Hawa, is a cow as heavy as a dog?
No, a cow is heavier.
Students, is a cow as heavy as a dog? Right, a cow is heavier. Now, Ubang, is a book as cheap as a pencil?
No, a pencil is cheaper.
Students, is a book as cheap as a pencil? Right, a pencil is cheaper. Now, Hawa, is a car as comfortable as a cart?
No, a car is more comfortable.
Ubang, is a jacket as expensive as a t-shirt?
No, a jacket is more expensive.
Hawa, is a banana as useful as an orange?
I think a banana is as useful as an orange.
Ubang, is a bicycle as fast as a car?
No, a car is faster.
That's good. Students, now do the same. Teacher, please ask your students one by one if certain things are compared equally. For example, call a student by name and say, is a car as cheap as a bicycle? Is a hyena as dangerous as a dog? And so on. let the students answer using comparative degree, like a bicycle is cheaper, a hyena is more dangerous, and so on. You have about 2 minutes. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.
Hawa, we haven't yet finished our homework.
What's left?
About similarities.
About similarities? Read the question.
Okay. The first question is, how are an orange and a banana similar?
An orange and a banana?
Yes.
They are both fruits.
Students, how are an orange and a banana similar?
They are both fruits.
Students, tell me again, how are an orange and a banana similar? Yes, they are both fruits. Students say, they are both fruits. Students, now listen again to Hawa and Ubang asking and telling each other similarities of things. Listen.
A lion and a hyena.
They are both wild animals.
Egg and meat.
They are both kinds of fruit.
A coat and a shirt.
They are both kinds of clothes.
A cat and a dog.
They are both tame animals.
That's very good, Hawa and Ubang. Students, now do in the same way after the broadcast. Teacher, after the broadcast, ask your students how a pair of objects is similar. Give them two objects having similarities and let the students join them by saying they are both. But now, students, let's sing our song one more time again. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
What were you doing? Yesterday morning at 7. What were you doing? Yesterday night at 8.
I was walking to school, yesterday morning at 7. I was reading, yesterday night at 8.
That's very good, students. Now it's time for us to go.
Yes, it's time to go. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.
That was English for Grade 7 from the Ethiopian Educational Media Agency. Join us again next week in Program 24. Till then, goodbye everyone. Goodbye.